Are you thinking about anything for?
I'd like to do something at my free time. Would you like to proceed, please?
Proceed. But what do you want to do?
I want to earn from online. I want to work on my computer. I want to invest my time and I want to earn a lot of money.
But it's not so easy. How is it possible for you?
Maybe you don't know about online earning. Actually, it's very easy. I've already known it. Believe me, I'll be success and earn a huge dollar. Please.
Okay. You may start. Wish you good luck.
Thank you so much, dear. I love you.
I love you too, but how did you come to know about it?
See the description box of this video. You will come to know it too.
Oh, yeah. May I get the detail from the description box of this video?
Yeah. See the description box and click the link of earning money. You will get detail.
Thanks a lot, dear. Just wait, I'm going to the description box of this video.
Okay.